The Murray State pilot planting of industrial hemp, a reintroduced legal crop for our state. This effort's all about using our Murray State University farm laboratory to fulfill our role as a regional comprehensive university agriculture program in trying to assist the agriculture industry in our region and our state by conducting trials regarding this potential new source of revenue for Kentucky agriculture.
It's 20 years in the making. I mean, I was here in 1994 at the Kentucky Hemp Commission, and we thought it'd be legalized in 2 years. Here it's 2014. And to have a Department of Agriculture of a university growing one of the most versatile crops known to mankind, I mean, this is $1 billion industry.
Anytime there's a new crop opportunity, obviously as a regional comprehensive university, we have a farm laboratory. And the farm laboratory is for education of our students, but it's also to support the industry of agriculture. And if there are opportunities for Kentucky farmers, we want to pilot that opportunity. We want to find out what to do right and what goes wrong, what can go wrong. And obviously some things are going to go wrong with a new crop.
The research focus of our pilot trial is to study the various agronomic factors involved with row spacing and plant populations. As we think back in the history of crops, when soybeans were developed or when dark tobacco was developed, they didn't know everything then that we know now. It was only through research and development that these things happened.
And we want to involve all of our students from the education, plus several of our students get some hands-on farm laboratory work as student workers. So they'll have the opportunity to kind of be in on the initial opportunities that it avails.
On our farm, we have about 1.5 acres planted of industrial hemp. We have 15-inch rows, 7.5-inch rows, and 20-inch row spacings at 2 different plant populations, 25 pounds per acre and 40 pounds per acre. We even have some of that planted in a no-till environment, which, by the way, looks better than any of the other plantings.
The hemp plant, within the core, the woody core of the plant, the cellulose structure has disulfides, which is a form of sulfur, so it's antifungal and antibacterial. And so when they make clothing, hemp clothing, it's antibacterial, it's antifungal, so it has many uses across the board.
From ropes to fabrics, and more importantly, the automotive industry right now, Flex Forms out of Indiana, I mean, they're probably buying 20 tons a month, 40 tons a month out of Canada. And they put the fiber into the door panels, and it reduces, it actually makes the car a little more environmentally friendly. So a lot of the molding and stuff with Ford, Chevy, I know Mercedes, BMW, they all use some form of hemp within their cars. The inner woody herd is used as when it's chopped up, as a horse bedding, animal bedding, and it's been a great byproduct for some of the farmers in Canada. The Queen stables in England, some of them use industrial hemp bedding for the horses. I guess they really like it. It's soft, it's kind of crunchy, floaty. Plus, the main fact, it's antibacterial and antifungal. It also, like I said, in Canada, they found a great use for it in animal bedding because of organic dairy. In order to have an organic dairy, you need organic animal bedding.
The hemp crop can be grown for seed and grain that can be converted into protein powder. It can be converted into seed oil like flax oil or super omega oils. The highest value of the crop is probably the protein powder. Right now, it's one of the top selling vegetable protein powders in the natural foods market. Whole Foods, Sprouts, you name it. It is huge. It's $500 million industry right now.